your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today we are doing a wig review for, oh, let me take that off, Asteria hair. Cute little box. That has to be a new box because I've worked with them before and I've never received that before. So in the box is, let me show you what's tea. So the wig came with this cute little hairband. If you know, you know. They real trendy right now. Some clips, lashes. I really wish I had something to put on my face because my face is so dry. It makes no sense. I'm gonna be looking in a mirror so that if I'm looking up and not making eye contact, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. It's beside the point. Wig cap. I don't think I'm even gonna need this elastic. And then a little instruction card. So this wig today is 30 inches. She's 180% density and, excuse me, she is also a headband wig. Y'all know I had I think I reviewed like two cute little units, two cute little headband wigs, but they wasn't long. This one is nice, long, and thick. So the inside of the wig looks like this. These actually have, it's not an adjustable strap in the back, but these have wig combs, not like the other combs you usually see. Those are wig combs. Installing these wigs are so easy. Today I want to do something different and do a little side part, especially since the hair is straight. The hair, meaning my hair, is straight. We're gonna do a deep side part, little swoop or whatever. So let's get to it. I'm probably not gonna do much talking just because this is a really easy install. Something cute and simple. So, doing a deep side part. Edge control, and we just gonna slick this nice and cute and extra just because, I mean, why not? Girl, I'm kind of drowsy. I need me a coffee, so if y'all, I'm drowsy, I need a coffee. So I'm sorry if I'm acting a little bit dry. And now I'm just going to slick this part. I could use a hot comb, but I try not to use so much heat in my real hair. So this should be fine. And my hair is so easy to swoop when it's like straight. Next, after you got your little foundation done, you just wanna take a wig cap. Everything is so much easier when my hair is straight. But I just hate having putting so much heat on my hair to where I don't straighten it a lot. But when I do get it straightened, trust me, child, it's gonna be straightened for at least a month and a half. So then I just like to twist. I'll show y'all. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. Make sure she's flat. Can you see it? I hope so. Now, the real trick is getting the wig cap on without actually messing up this swoop. Alright, sure. This is how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna put her on like this. So now we're just going to take, look how big, long, and full that is. Fire. And it's getting kind of cold outside, so I need that hair to keep me warm, child. So I'm gonna just undo, these are like I said, like the clip-in clips, not the wig clips. The wig clips are like more open. Undo those. And the headband, part on the wig does so good that you don't even really need to use the clips. The clips are for just a little bit more extra support. Ooh. Up the little black bands with the headband that they gave me. I've never had a super duper long headband wig like this. It's the first time for, oh, I wish I had some earrings, bitch. So fire, I know. Rock it out. I'm gonna get up so y'all can see how long and full it is. I'm just trying to make sure that the headband's on the right way. Girls, stop playing with this. Stop playing with it. And I think another thing that helped is I did dye my hair jet black, even though I don't think this is, nah, this is like a brown. But my actual like real hair color is like a sandy brown, so I think it matches a lot better with this. Now, are you ready to see? I hate when my ears do this. Look how stupid that looks. Please get it together, love. Please get it together. Okay. Are y'all ready to see the full-blown glory of sis? So if you did want to pick up this wig from Asteria Hair, everything on sis is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.